this is Avni. Oh wait, did Wizbot just draw? And that too a scenery? Yes, in this video we are entering a draw mode where Wizbot turns into your drawing buddy. Now let's switch to draw mode. Press this action and reverse button together. The light turns purple, that means Wizbot is in draw mode. Now we will attach this sketch pen and insert it inside the pen holder. Make sure the tip touches the paper. Let's see how it works. First, always remember to press the clear button. Then let's press forward. Then we'll press left and again forward. Now to run it, we have to press go green button. Wow, it could draw so easily. Can you guess the shape? Yes, it's alphabet L, and this entire set of commands is called a code. Fun fact, these drawing sheets are actually reusable. You can just wipe with a damp cloth. Then your drawing sheet is ready for the next drawing. So now for the next shape, we will draw a zigzag. Also, do you know Wizbot remembers the code unless you press this clear button. So now let's add more commands to make a zigzag. It already remembers forward, left, forward. So now we have to press right and forward. Then let's press go button to see the magic. Can you see? It has drawn a perfect zigzag. Let me place this drawing sheet over here. And now I have a fun challenge for you. Can you draw the alphabet T by using Wizbot? I'm sure you can. But remember, always plan the steps first. Now to draw the T, first line, the Wizbot has to go 2 steps forward. Then take 1 step reverse to come in the center. Then again take 2 steps forward. So now let's press the code. First always press the clear button. Then we will add forward twice. 1, 2. Then we have to take a reverse. Then a right turn. And then again 2 forwards. 1, 2. Now let's press go. Wow, isn't that a perfect T? So, how cool was that? This is just the beginning. You can also draw cloud, star, snowman and many more amazing shapes. For that, we will learn some special button commands in the next video. Till then, happy learning!